You can use the MyWiFi app to pause internet access for any device connected to your home network. Log into the MyWiFi app and tap My Devices. From there, you can either tap the pause icon next to the device you want to control, then tap Pause again, or you can tap the device name to open the device details page and pause access from there by tapping the pause icon, then tapping Pause again. You can follow the same process for any other connected devices. Once paused, the device you selected won't be able to access your home internet, and it won't automatically switch to using cellular data. To unpause the device, simply tap the play icon and the device's normal internet access will immediately resume. Thanks for watching. For any other questions about the MyWiFi app, visit rogers.com/howtovideos.